Bosch Rexroth is one of the world's leading providers of drive and control technologies. With our solutions, we bring a wide range of machines to life. Bosch Rexroth service is there to help you 24/7. We can assist you with all maintenance and improvement work and guarantee the availability of spare parts and repairs for all products for at least 10 years. And thanks to an extended service period, we can keep your machines running for more than 25 years. We guarantee global availability with service sites in 80 different countries. Generally speaking, your product will be returned to you as new within 13 working days. In urgent cases, to avoid downtime, you will receive a replacement product the same day. We also ensure that your products and machines are functioning properly as quickly as possible. For deliveries weighing up to 40 kilos, you can use our free pickup and delivery service. Nobody knows our products better than we do. This makes all the difference when repairs are needed. Our services fit together perfectly, from receiving the defective component, repairing and checking it, to sending it back. Our workshop service ensures that defective components are replaced at low cost. We always offer the original. The components to be repaired are recorded digitally as soon as the goods are received. They are then mechanically cleaned so that our experts can begin analyzing and reproducing the fault and identify what repairs are necessary. All Bosch Rexroth components are repaired in accordance with OEM quality standards. In conjunction with a product overhaul, defective components and wearing parts are replaced with new original spare parts, therefore avoiding machine breakdowns. To ensure that products function correctly, the device configuration is compared with the original status and the hardware and software are updated to the latest versions. Rotors are balanced and all integral parts undergo thorough tests.
JHFoster is an authorized Rexroth certified service partner. We offer a wide range of service, repair, and retrofit options even for legacy Indramat products. Find out more about our services by contacting us today.